Hi everyone and welcome to my channel DiyFashion. Today I will be teaching you how to make this cute airy summer blouse. To get started, you'll need a lightweight fabric. For me, 1.5 meter was enough, but as always, you may need more or less depending on your size. Now the blouse is almost done. It's time to attach the zipper, close stitch the side, and also hem stitch all the raw ends. And for the strap, you're going to sew in such a way so the elastic can pass through one end and the other side will be hem stitched. Finally, attach the straps and the blouse is done. Thank you so much for watching and see you all next time. Bye!